It is not expensive, it's priceless. On behalf of our class 1R and our class teacher Mrs. Aisha and our Hindi teacher Mrs. Farzana Parveen, I am Rukia, host for today. I wish you a very pleasant and refreshing morning. We are gathered here today to celebrate Safety Week. We will start our assembly by paying gratitude to Almighty by reciting Surah from Holy Quran by Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Pay homage to our motherland, so pledge will be said by Kavish.
Everyone raise your hand for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I will strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and my all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along life my happiness. Jai Hind.
Let's all wait for singing Muslim song.
दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लपे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए जगा मेरी चमकने से उजाला हो जाए मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब हो मेरा काम गरीबों की मदद करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना प्यारी दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. Thank you.
Now to continue our assembly, let's have a delightful thought of the day by Arashan and Mizal.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mohammad Arshan. Today I am going to tell about the thought of the day. Keep safety first. Prepare and prevent. Don't repair and repent. I repeat, prepare and prevent. Don't repair and prevent. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends and my dear teachers. Today I would like to share thought of the day. Safety first is safety always. I repeat, safety first is safety always. Thank you. If you have good thoughts, they will shine on your face like sunbeam. Here's another thought for the day in Hindi by Hamza.
Afternoon all of you. My name is Hamza Hassan Saleh. I am from first star. Safety means सुरक्षा. आज का सुविचार सुरक्षा के जीवन अर्थ है. सुरक्षा के बिना सब व्यर्थ है। धन्यवाद।
As you all know, we have gathered here for Safety Week celebration. I would like Isha to say a few words about safety.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Sahid. I study in first R. Today I am going to tell about safety rules. Safety rules are the rules that every person must follow to avoid accidents. We should follow the safety rules everywhere. I am here with some of the safety rules that every person must follow when we are traveling by bus. Stand in a queue at the bus stop. Do not push anyone while getting in or out of the bus. Do not lean out of the window of the bus. Never talk to the driver while he is driving. Do not get on or off a moving bus. I wish all you people understood my point of view. Avoid tours, put safety first. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was very informative. Now I call Mazen to give us more information on safety.
Hi my friend, I'm my teacher. My name is Ale. Today I will talk about the safety rules. I will say some rules. Never play with fires. Don't play with sharp objects. Don't play with wires. Don't talk to strangers. Always walk on footpaths. Don't go out from the bus window. Always be in a queue. Follow the traffic rules. To be safe, follow the rules. Thank you.
Full Mazen. Now I hand over to Nazim.
Thank you, Rukeya. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mohammed Nazim. I am studying in first standard. Today, my topic is safety at home. It is important to understand the seriousness of personal safety and how to avoid dangerous situations at home. Now I'll give some following tips to make you safe at home. Number 1. Always keep the door locked. Never talk to strangers. Number 2. Do not play with sharp objects. For example, scissors and knife. They may cut your fingers. Number 3. Do not play with fire. They may burn your fingers. Number 4. Do not touch such electric when your hands are wet. You may get an electric shock. These are some following tips to make you safe at home. Thank you. Now I call Yahvi to give a speech in Hindi regarding this day.
मेरा नाम यावी है। आज मैं आपको सड़क की सुरक्षा के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। हर इंसान को अपने जीवन में आने जाने के लिए सड़क का उपयोग जरूर करना पड़ता है। हमें सड़क के ट्रैफिक नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर जब लाल रंग आता है मतलब हमें रुकना चाहिए। जब पीला रंग आता है मतलब हमें रुकने के लिए रेडी होना चाहिए। जब हरा रंग आता है मतलब हम जा सकते हैं। सड़क पार करते वक्त हमें दाएं बाएं देख के चलना चाहिए और ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पे ही चलना चाहिए। हमें सड़क पे दौड़ना या फिर खेलना नहीं चाहिए। हमें सड़क के बने किनारे पर ही चलना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
That was very informative. Now I call Roshan to sing a song on this special occasion.
Everybody, my name is Mohammed Roshan. I stand in first stand. Today I sing safety song. Stop and look, listen to before you cross the streets. Think about the safety rules before you move your feet. Stop and look, listen to, think before you walk, stay alert and cross the streets. Then walk on down the block. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wonderful, my friend. As we all know, knowledge is power. I would like to invite Nawaf for sharing with us some Tell Me Why facts.
Hi everyone, my name is Nawaf. I'm studying in first track. Today I am going to tell about amazing fact. Fact number 1. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Fact number 2. Horses and cow sleep while standing up. Fact number 3. A starfish turns its stomach inside out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wonderful, my friend. Now all of you be ready for Saudi National Anthem guided by Abdullah. صوني المجد والدنيا ماجد للخالق السماء فري الله أكبر يحمل يصدر ربي الله أكبر يا موتري في الشيء مسلمي الشعب سلبني إنالا والفتن. Now all of you be ready for Indian National Anthem guided by Ishan.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jonathan Anidin. Today I am telling about safety at home. Don't play with scissors. Don't play with knife. Don't play with matchsticks. Don't play with crackers. Don't open the door to strangers. Don't touch the electric plug. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arisha Rashid. Today I am telling about safety at road. We should walk carefully at road. We should not play at road. We should cross the road while zebra crossing. We should see here and there. While
my dear friends and my dear teacher. My name is Maryam Muhammad, class 1R. Today I will tell you about how to be safe. When I'm riding a car, I have to put seat belt. When I'm riding a bicycle, I have to put helmet and knee protectors. When I go outside, I have to wear mask, face, and protect us from virus corona. And when I come to the home, I have to wash my hands with soap and sanitizer. When I in the home, I have to be away from sharp things like knife and fire oven. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavish from Standard First Section A. Today I am going to tell about safety measures of Corona. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If you don't have water, you can use sanitizer. Wear mask and gloves. Keep distance of 1 meter. Best way